What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you guys for tuning in, liking, sharing, and subscribing, guys at thebomb.com. Now, in today's video, I am back to do an expense cash out. I usually do this at the end of every month, but your girl kind of got busy last month. At this time we were traveling, so I did not do it. And so I have some expenses that, listen, it is time before these transactions clear on the credit card to charge me interest. No, we're going to take care of those. So if you want to see how I cover electronic spending with cash, this is the video for you. Okay, so I have my expense tracker, which of course you can find on RochelleAdamson.com. It has all of my transactions that I've been tracking so that I can know how much money to pull from my cash envelopes to throw in the bank and make a credit card credit card payments. So we're going to start off with a couple sinking funds. So first is house and hygiene. And what I want to do is I want to pull out some money to cover some water that we bought. We buy water by the boatload just because, you know, you got to make sure you have enough water on hand, disaster kit water. So we bought water, and we bought Eva a new water bottle. Y'all, I'm gonna try to remember to put a picture in this video. I love these big water bottles. They are such cute water bottles. We grabbed it from Target, and she has been drinking more water because if you remember, I told you guys that she passed out on me in San Diego. Like, it was the scariest thing of my life. I don't even know if I told you what happened, but she just was like down on the ground before I knew even what had happened. And the only thing that they could figure out was, oh, she probably could just be drinking some more water. And so we have been on it ever since. I'm so proud of her. So we need to pull $36 at least from here. So, oh, cool. I have a $1 bill randomly. $20, $30, $35, $36. Okay, and then that'll leave me with $100, $200, $220, $240, $260. Oh, wait a minute. I'm pulling from the wrong thing. Guys, I was about to say that was too good to be true. That is hilarious. That is funny. Okay, house and hygiene. Boom. There we go. So $36. I'm thinking I'm just going to do 40 just to make it nice and easy. So that'll leave me with $10. So minus 40 leaves me with $10. And then I can check that off. Oops. Okay, so we did 40. The next thing I want to try and cover is oh, I bought some pictures. So miscellaneous. Do I have a miscellaneous? Where is my miscellaneous? Miscellaneous. That is a miscellaneous thing, huh? Where should we take that from? We'll come back to that. I need to think about that. Okay, let's go to beauty. Beauty has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 171. Y'all, we're gonna pour. We're gonna pull it all. $171 because I got my retie. So we're gonna start all over. So minus 171 leaves us with 0 as of 7/25. And that is why I love sinking funds, because I planned for this. Okay, I planned. All right, so I'm just checking that off. Then next up is some purchases for my sister locks business. So let me hop on over there. So I pay for insurance monthly for my business. And so we're going to pull that out of, what should we pull that out of? Fees? Well, I had some certification that I had to cover. So I'm just going to pull all of this out to cover that. $20, $40, $60, $80, $85. So let me put a note there for that. $85 for that. And then supplies and equipment. I think I'm going to pull money from out of here for insurance. So insurance is $9 a month, and I need to pay for 3 months. So I need at least $27 for that. And I also made some purchases for my business, like a chair, and what else did I buy? A stand mat and a rolling cart. So let me see, 51, 52, 220, 240. I think I'm going to go ahead and take $200 to cover those 3 purchases. Thank goodness for Amazon. I was able to find it for not too crazy of a price. And Ross. I never go in Ross, but I went in Ross and I found me a nice stool for $20 for me to sit on. So I have $40 left there. And then, yeah, I think, yeah, okay, that's good. That's gonna cover our Sister Locks purchases. I am enjoying the Sister Locks process. I have my first few clients. It's been going really good, really chill. And I don't know, it seems kind of redundant, like sitting there. It's like getting your hair braided, you know, and it's like, oh, it's so long. But when you're the stylist, like when you're the one doing hair, you can put your AirPods in, listen to your music. And I don't know, I like doing the same exact thing over and over again. That's my type. That's my love language. So it works for me. But anyway, $200. So that's a total of $285 that I can use to cover my Sister Locks purchases. What else do we have? Let's go to my business, RochelleAdamson.com. I need to cover some mailers that I bought. So that's shipping, and that came to $46. $46. Where is it at? Oh, shipping. Okay, and I have $51 should. Let me make sure. 20, 40, 45, 50, $51. So $45, $46 will leave me with a modest $5. But I buy mailers to last, honey, they last me for a season. So we pulled $46 and we were left with $5. Let me check that off. And then it is time for me to pull all of this tax money out. You see my envelope? You see that? Yeah. Yeah, we're pulling that out. So taxes has a total of $500, $600, $700, $800, $900, $1,000, $1,100. Actually, let me take the 5 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That could be $1,000. A 1K slip right there. 100, 200. 100, 200. I gotta lay it down, y'all. I'm sorry. This is what batch recording does. I am not even going to act like I have the bandwidth to remember all of this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's another 100. 1, 2, 3. That's 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. I think that's gonna have to stay. Yeah, that'll have to stay, unfortunately, because I gotta have exact change. Okay, so what we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I'm just shy of 2,000. That's okay. I'll keep these hundreds because that makes it easier. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 800. That's 900. And that's 1,000. So I'll deposit $1,000 to my taxes sinking fund for my business. This is for YouTube and RochelleAdamson.com. So let's get us a 1K slip. So boom, safety first, y'all. Safety first. 1,500, and then 1, 2, 3, 400, 420, 440, 460, 470, and change. So yeah, we are just shy of 2,000, but that's okay. Look how much thinner that is now. I can dig it. Okay, so let me put 1,000 is going in our taxes sinking fund. Taxes sinking fund. Okay. Okay, so that is taxes. That's so much better. Look at that. My envelopes And if you want to know where I got these from 𝗖𝗢𝗗𝗧 here on YouTube. She's the bomb. Look, she did this. She completely personalized my wallet, my business wallet. I love it. Okay, and the last thing I need to pull money from is my sinking fund. So I am going to pull money to cover some vitamins and some herbal stuff that I bought. It came to $90. This is what happens, y'all. This is why I don't like using my credit card, because I know I don't have it. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so that's 15. We're just going to get as close as we can, and whatever money I can't pull from here is going to come from my personal money. That way I'll feel it. That way I'll feel it. Okay, so that's $10 from House and Hygiene. Because these were things that I bought for me and Micah and Eva. So I don't feel bad pulling that out. Where else can we get this money from? Not Amazon. Ooh, I might be going to... Let me go. Let me keep on rolling. I don't take from Micah's. I might be pulling from Row. Okay, so that's 20. This is why I like using cash to cover, because I feel it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Eva has 30. I'm not taking from her. And I'm not taking from taxes. No. Okay, so $90. Let's see how much I have left, y'all. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Oh, so I still need another $45. Which income? Okay, I'm going to pull it from out of my income, my business income. $45 at least. 20, 40, 45. There we go. So that leaves me with $105. But I'm saddled up. You know? Okay, so I'm pulling 45, and that leaves me with 105. So let me make sure that equals $90. 20, 40. Let me make sure it's all in order. Yeah. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Yup, that'll do it. So this is all the money that I am going to be putting in the bank. Now, I need to count this up and make sure, or let me check off that I did this. I came up with the $90, okay? I don't want no smoke. Herbal and vitamins. So that's, yep, $90. Okay, so now $10. I never had those. Okay, so let's see how much we have. 100, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, 950, 1,000. 50, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 540, 550, 560, 570, 580, 590, 610, 620, 630, 635, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So that's 640, 641, 642. So 1642 is how much I am going to be depositing in the bank. 1642. And this is why I love expense cash out. So apart from the $1,000 that'll be going into my taxes sinking fund, I will still be able to put $642 onto my business credit cards and my personal credit card to cover spending in the month of July. Thumbnail. Thumbnail. All right, y'all, that's it. I will see y'all in the next video. Until then, you know what it is. Peace, love, and budgets.